Guys, can you see I'm crying? Hey guys, welcome back for another video, and today guys we are here at Living Paradise Organic Farm, and today guys we'll be experiencing this amazing farm where they serve this organic food. So dili guys, dili lang kay paingon mo farm lang. Living Paradise guys is ni-serve sila og food from farm to table. So karon guys, atong magkauban ng owner no sa Living Paradise Organic Farm, and they will tour us around the farm and they will show us the food and how they process the food. And I have a quick tip for you guys. So kita mo ni guys na atay gomamela. Okay, so did you know guys that gomamela is edible? So pwede siya makaon and it's good for our kidney. So that's a great tip for today. Let's go.
Lubi. Murag lubi jud. Lasa jud kay nimo guys. Tanaw guys oh.
Oh. Buko juice. Lami kayo.
Lami kayo.
No, tilaw na ko susunod. Guys, we have here the buko juice no. So init kayo. So perfect kayo guys nga mainom tag buko juice sa kainit. And available siya dili guys sa Living Paradise Organic Farm. So if mo ani mo guys, ay mo kalimot og drink og buko juice. Kuan. Buko juice siya.
Let's make some Neapolitan style pizza. We're starting with a dough here that is made with fermented in the refrigerator. We're using very nice Italian flours to bake it out. It's Italian semolina flours. And now for this type of pizza, we don't want to, how do I say, we want to get the air out into the crust on the side like this. So I don't press on the sides. And obviously we want it to be able to display and broadcast a little bit here. This sauce is made with San Marzano tomatoes from Italy, imported from Italy. We got our own herbs, fresh herbs like oregano and basil that we grow here in the farm, and some salt, and we have some extra virgin olive oil in this. So this is as close to Italy that you can get here, this recipe. And now we're broadcasting the sauce here. This sauce tastes good by itself. We're putting some mozzarella here. Oh, okay. So this is salsiccia. This is Italian pepperoni, you might call it. And put some of that. Very gently, we want to transfer this one to the pizza peel, like this. Anyway, this one might be what you call a little bit messed up pizza. I'll try to bake it anyway. I'll make a nice one later. All right, this is the wood-fired oven. You can see the temperature are like 800 degrees, 900 degrees here. It's extremely hot, and it's powered with charcoal. So you get also a little bit of the smoke from that flavor. And then it will bake here for maybe about 2 minutes, maximum 2 minutes, and that will keep the dough moist still.
That's fast.
So this is a Neapolitan style pizza, just like in Italy. We want to put some fresh oregano on these. This is the goat's cheese. We have the mozzarella. So we put some fresh oregano, like so. Like that. And we have some extra virgin olive oil also. And now we will cut this up like this. And we will let our guests here try.
Try.
Yeah, you can try. Take a bite there and say what you think. First bite. How about you? You try it.
This is a
Goat cheese.
goat cheese.
Mozzarella and goat cheese.
Okay.
Yummy.
I will try one together with you here,
Yeah.
so that I can see. It's soft and moist still, the dough, because we only cook it for about 2 minutes, so it doesn't get crunchy or
Lamig kayo.
Sarap. Let me.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey guys, so we have here some of their farm to table products. They have this goat milk. This one is hot sauce. See that? Hot sauce. 3 kinds of hot sauce. Hang, halang-halang, and pinakahang. Yes. And also they have this jackfruit smoothie with goat milk. And also this Italian pizza. Look. So feel na to guys, feel ginato nga nato sa Italy is because they have this Italian pizza. And also guys, they have this salad with a homemade vinegar with a jackfruit vinegar. This one. All of these guys are locally made or locally harvested here at the farm, no? And they all made this. So let's try this goat cheese pizza. That's a goat pizza, guys. Look, that's a good pizza with fresh basil. And of course guys, I make sure pagisan og jackfruit smoothie. Perfect. So later guys, we're gonna be touring around the farm. Then naghapoy ihatag sir na to nga snack, which is dessert. So I'm so excited. So let's go.
This is where we live, me and my wife. We have 2 kids, and I will show you around a little bit in our backyard first before we go to the big farm. So we have some herbs. I want to show you that first. Actually, the inspiration for our pizza comes from here in my garden. We have mango trees, we have jackfruit trees. That's miracle fruit. We have different types of citrus. I will show you those later. We have booster. This is actually the inspiration for our pizza. When I saw this one, I picked it up and I smelled it and I thought, pizza, pasta. And then I was thinking also, what shall we pair with this? And then I remember that we have our goat cheese, our goat's milk. We're making good goat. So this oregano paired with the goat cheese is perfect pizza, I would say. The aloe vera juice that you were drinking, it grows here in our backyard also. I started out with only 3 little aloe vera plants like this, and then they reproduced all of these. So you can literally make 100 or more than 100 just from one or two of these. You actually, you don't use this part of the aloe vera. You only use the gel inside here for juice and for soap. We use this in our soap also. We have a recipe for that. And this has great health benefits for the skin. So for instance, you put it in the juice, it has good antibodies for the body. It boosts your immune system. If you have problem with your skin, this is anti-acne. If you get hot chili pepper like I did now I can take some of this, I can rub it on the skin. If you have sunburn or something, perfect herb for skin problems or skin to heal skin problems. Lime tree, as you can see, it's starting to come into the season for fruiting. So it looks like we're gonna have a lot of lime fruit.
Use it for the juice.
This is good for juice, this is good for making tzatziki. When we grow our cucumbers, we have our goat's milk yogurt, perfect for making tzatziki. So that's the lime. We have, this is Filipino lemon. They are round and big and they're a little bit more bitter in the taste. So the taste reminds me more about grapefruit. Okay, we have some herbs, we have dill. I'm using this in our vinaigrette also, dill and chives. This is good for fish and potato, a real Swedish, I'm from Sweden by the way, so that's a Swedish favorite. This is what the jalapeno looks like. It starts out green like this, and in the last phase it can become a little bit brown and even a little bit red, like that one. Habaneros, and that one is yellow. This one is about 200,000 on the Scoville, up to 250,000 on the Scoville heat unit, and that's a good sample right there. And you can see they grow quite tall. They are taller than me actually, the tallest leaf there. So pretty cool. We have the habanero, we have the jalapeno, and here is the ceiling demonio. As you can see, those turn red, and this may very well be the spiciest that I have, that really turns really spicy, this one. This is the world champion. This is the spiciest chili pepper in the world. It's called Carolina Reaper, the red Carolina Reaper. It has up to 2.2 Scoville heat units, so very spicy, that one. Carolina Reaper. We have some more Maruso, and here we have the one that you tried. Oh, you have to come on this side and see when it's really fresh. You have the pod is peach colored and it has that little tail there. So that is the California Reaper. This is our guest house where we have many times we have volunteers from Sweden and from Finland, sometimes Germany. So these volunteers, they will come here and stay, and they will help us to work in the farm and in our school also that we have. That one. We have a very nice view. Maybe someday we will make a stair up to the second floor here so we can capture all the view. We can have the Camotes looking over that side and then Benabaya Mountains on the other side. Check it out. I have some, from the goat's milk I make different types of soap because goat's milk soap has great health benefits for the skin. This one, for instance, is the baby soap. We have different types of baby soaps, and this one I'm making with oatmeal inside. So this is just no smell either, no scent, because it's very hypoallergenic for sensitive skin for babies. You can use this as much as possible, and it actually also the milk in this and the oatmeal actually can heal rashes also that you have. I call this Therapeutic Luxury because it feels very luxurious when you use it. It has a very great feel on the skin, and it is also therapeutic because it has very great health benefits. I have actually customers that said that they will testify and say that they had started out with skin rashes and it got healed when they started to use it. So that's a good feedback on this. This is for men. I call this the Men of Steel soap. I put activated charcoal in it, and I don't put so much of the healing oils in it. This is more of a cleansing soap for men, but because it has goat's milk in it, it's also moisturizing and healing, right? So this is for men that wants to get clean. They've been in the garden, they've been, driving their motorcycle or whatever they've been doing. This is for the men. So for the ladies, I have Bentonite Clay. This is also a healing soap. I'm putting tea tree oil in this also, so it has a nice scent on this one. This is usually use this to rejuvenate the skin, to make you look younger. You can actually leave this one in just like a face mask before you wash it off. That's a good one. This is what we saw in the garden. This is a product. You put some goat's milk, you make a smoothie with some aloe vera. I actually pasteurize it also so it will last longer. And then we have our aloe vera goat's milk soap. This one is really, really nice because it also has a chamomile oil in this that is also good for the skin. It has great health benefits for the skin. So you have aloe vera, chamomile, and goat's milk. It doesn't get much better than this.
Yeah, exactly. That's correct.
This is our soap on a rope. This is one of the models of our soap on a rope. So you can bring this, you never lose the soap in the shower. You bring it in, and this one is sort of a refreshing, you want to have a refreshing sense on the skin. So we're putting mint and green tea. So you have green tea leaves and menthol crystal. When you wash your skin with this, it feels cool. You get a cool sensation on the skin. This is so you can try. This is the one that you got on the soap on a rope, the same recipe. This one I put Shangri-La scent, their signature scent from the 5-star hotel. We have activated charcoal. I have shea butter. I have virgin coconut oil, castor oil. So this is, and beeswax also. This is, I just put all the best things that you can think about in soap making is in this one. Shangri-La signature soap. We also have, for those that want to, we have a hotel soap also. We want to sell this. You can buy, this is made from tarragon and mint. You have real leaves, dried leaves in here. And then you also have, it's made with the tea and goat's milk, also tea, herbal tea. So this is for hotel soap. You buy 100 of these and you give it to your guest as a gift, as part of your hotel experience. So you can get that one. And then we have some little cute shapes, roses, like that, flowers. We have strawberries, Rubik's Cube, little of this, little of that. Always experiment, always trying new recipes and new tweaks to make a better soap. So welcome here to look at this. And this is we also have the liquid soap. And this is very good. I really like this to wash my face with this. And then just leave it in the face for maybe 1 or 2 minutes before I wash it out. And you can feel that it's actually tightening the skin a little bit when you're using it. So this is a very good product there. Let me have some.
This is the,
I want to try. Sweet Vera. It's so sweet. It's like candy. I have a hard time to stop myself from eating when I start eating.
Only in LP Farm.
Jackfruit is the best. So as I mentioned, we don't use like a chemical fertilizer. So what we really do is that we make our own fermentations. In the nature you have bad bacteria and you have good bacteria. And so you've heard about that we disinfect to get rid of bad bacteria. We don't disinfect, we don't kill all the bacteria just to get rid of the bad ones, because there are actually good bacteria. What we do is that we co-infect. So we try to encourage the good bacteria and to introduce good bacteria into the soil, into our fertilizers, into the feeds of the animals, also into their intestines and things like that, so that they will dominate. And then when you have good bacteria that are dominating, the bad bacteria has to die out. So you can say that this is the heart of the organic production that we have here in the farm. Everything starts with fermentations, one way or another, with bacteria. Okay, look at these nice flowers. This is called the caballero. This one is gumamilla, and this is renzone. What they have in common is that they are rich in protein, and we use this for forage for the milking goats. So we are growing about maybe more than 1 hectare of these type of plants to feed our 60 goats that are up there.
So what they eat is all of this one?
They eat all of it, yeah, except for they eat the leaves mostly. The leaves. And also you can see we've been harvesting these flowers as well also, so they eat the leaves and the shrubs. There are different types of grass. You're supposed to give them about 30% grass and then 70% of these bushes for milking goats.
So you feed that for what?
For the goats in the afternoon, yeah. They eat about 10% of their weight, so if they weigh 50 kilos, one goat, they will eat 5 kilos. And that one it might be enough for 4 to 5 goats, a sack that is full like that. It's about 15 kilos in one of those sacks.
So you have here the calamansi?
That's the calamansi juice, yeah. That's a big ingredient. We put that in a lot of our drinks, in our jams, and yeah, as a preservative in also in the chili sauce, adding that. This is a good ingredient to have.
So guys, namilag sa goat. Is this the milking area?
This is the milk. These are the girls. These are the mummies. You only milk the mummies. They have to have little cute goat children first before you can have the milk. And they are quite fluffy and
Yes. You like goats, huh?
yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, take a picture of him. That's the boy. That's the biggest one we have. He's taking care of all of these ladies.
Females.
The rest of them are just ladies. So he's the one who's servicing them. So what we will do when it's time to milk, we stick their head in here and lock it up. Oh, which one was it? Lock it and then milk like this. So, but they're empty now, so they don't have much. Yeah, I know.
So guys, we are here at the milking station. Kung asa mag-milk sila, no? And they have a lot of kanding goats. And they have this biggest goat. The male, the alpha male. Yeah, the alpha goat. Here it is. Hey, what's up, dude? Hi. That's the alpha male. Say hi. So, that one is the alpha male. Okay, it's feeding time.
Yeah. Even the little one wants to try. Look at that.
So even tourists can do the feeding, right?
Yeah, even milking also if they want to try.
Oh, here's the papa. Hey, papa.
Here's Papa.
That's a big one, huh? Hey, you're a big one.
We got these in Mindanao.
I haven't seen a goat like this big. Is this a goat or a donkey? I don't know if it's a goat. Yeah. Too big.
Here's the last stage. This looks like they're
What is it, chocolate milk?
just choco milk ready to go. I'm gonna open one up here, and this will be a research development taste for this.
Good.
Wow. I like. Also this with no sugar, just stevia. We're sweetening this with stevia, so also good for diabetics if they want to, indulge in something that is tasty but safe. This is good. And if you have kids, you can let them drink as much as they want, and it will not be bad for them.
With no worries.
With no worries, yeah. Choco milk otherwise has so much sugar in it. Yeah. Kids will develop diabetes and
Souvenir.
So guys,
Amin ako apple.
up.
Pasyon.
Sige, tawag niya sa kuwan, sa Bisaya.
Pasya.
Sa nati word ano niya?
Puri sa may ngalan na mo sa amo, ana.
Sa titawag ani eh.
Siguro lang.
Ay, buongon.
Dili, nay word ani kalimot ko. Yellow gani siya color, di ba? Yellow mostly ani oh, yellow. Maguba gani imong nang ani mo kaon ka. Kalimot ko.
Daghana diri.
So guys, if kayo ba mo si pangalan eh, no, comment lang. And today, karon is mag-milking na mi sa goat. We'll be trying to milk some goat. Let's go!
Ano na eh. Ipit niya. Buhay. Ipit.
Oh, nice.
Ano po?
Dali ang anday. Okay. Ang kanya may kumot.
Oo.
So guys, nagagatas ng sampul ni Kuya. And magpakita ta sa milking. Okay. One. And yan. Rolling. Wala ako gi-squeeze. Look. So, kawan na kuan. Healthy foods. Dali.
This is the jalapeno. This is probably the most common. You use that, you know, with tacos and all that. This one has about 8,000 on the Scoville heat unit for chilies. Yeah, this one is a purple chili. It's about 15,000 on the Scoville, so it's hotter than that one. And then we move on to the habanero, yellow habanero. This one is 200,000. Yeah, 200,000 Scoville heat units. So this one is very popular in the Philippines. It's called marusut or siling demonyo. The international name on this one is Naga Viper. It was made in England and it was the world champion of the spiciest chili in the world way back in 2010. So this is a world champion. And this is a California Reaper. It's made from the Carolina Reaper that is the spiciest in the world. So this one has more than 1 million Scoville heat units. Whereas the Carolina Reaper, its mother, you might call it, has had up to 2.2 million Scoville heat units when they measured it, the spiciest one. So starting at 8,000 and we're gonna work our way up to about 1 million, 1.5 million. This one has more than 1 million also, the Naga Viper. So that one is very potent also. So I brought some small forks for you to try, and I will start to slice up a little bit, and you can say you start out very mild here, and then you can say when you had enough where you will stop. If you eat all the way here, you will get one free chili plant from me.
What? Is that for real? No way!
I will send you a chili plant home so you can have in your garden. Yes? If you work your way all the way.
I think I'm gonna die here.
Mo lagi na butang gaway pero okay naman.
Here. This is the mildest. This is very mild. Very mild. This is jalapeno.
How much is this?
8,000.
8,000. Yeah. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Guys, 8,000. 8,000 pa ni ha? Okay. Should I chew it?
You chew it so you can taste. You have to taste it.
Did you contact the ambulance?
Hangoy.
Was it high?
Spicy.
Spice? Not so much.
Not so much, yeah.
Mild spice. This one, the purple one is a little bit more. So I think here we are increasing a little bit. On the, this is yours. I'll give that to you there. You can try. This is yours. This one will be a little bit. I think you will a little bit more, just a little bit hotter.
A little bit more, but the impact is so good.
How much is this?
This is about 15,000.
15,000.
Purple chili.
15,000 US dollar.
I think that the origin is Thailand. They call it Thai purple. This one.
Di pa kabuluha, sir. Karang,
Huh? I like the challenge. You know, I have a strong feeling right now. If I'm gonna win, this is 1 million.
That's right.
We can have competition in the farm.
Bito, pwede. Hangoy?
The healer.
No, against the rules. There's no, wala tayo inom ha.
Maybe we can have goat's milk. We'll usually make. Can we prepare a glass of goat milk, please?
Guys,
If it gets too hot for them, you
It's so
can
hot.
always-
Kaya pa.
Goat milk is a
Yeah,
good
yeah, yeah,
partner. All right. So this one, you noticed a slight increase. This one, I think you're gonna feel a bigger one. This is from 15,000 to 200,000.
Oh, that's hot.
So we're taking a big jump here in spiciness.
How much is this?
200,000.
200,000.
Habanero, yellow habanero.
Guys, what do you call this? Lengo? What's that?
Habanero,
Habanero.
yellow habanero.
Okay. I don't know what's...
200,000.
200,000. Scoville heat unit.
Guys, we have a challenge here right now. So if I'm gonna win this one, I'm gonna have a 1 million from sir. Yeah, 1 million of spices. Hangoy. I can feel the spiciness right now.
From the purple one,
Drink
yeah.
the milk, sir.
We have milk. I will prepare so that it's already open and pour it in a glass.
Choco is the other one.
This is choco. But maybe better to have the real milk. I don't know.
Kari lang sa choco mama kay frozen na uban niya kuan.
How much is that?
Isip po naman siya.
200,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
200,000.
That is very-
I will put 5K.
I think that this is strong myself. I think it's quite strong. This is my favorite though, the maruso. That's the one I really like.
Yeah.
It's like when someone punches you in
I think
the
I'm gonna
stomach
cry.
almost.
Ayun sa okay mo na human.
Milk is better if you want to.
Really. Milk, sir.
Milk. Oh, where?
Or there, you have goat's milk there. Try that
Yeah,
one.
okay.
And gargle it a little bit in the mouth. Let it move around the mouth. You feel that's making it better.
Nagmahay na ko, ma'am. Muli na ko. Oh my God.
Ako sa gazelle, tuto ng lugo.
Babs, ay sa babs.
Iinom ba? Ano yan?
Ah.
And then we should award them on this for eating.
Guys, can you see I'm crying?
Ano lang sa sauce?
Hang, jud sila so.
Yeah. Hangoy.
Kaya ganyan natakuto ba nila? Nagtaka uli.
I will join you here. I will jump in on the habanero, I think, and then.
Andreas,
Do we have a
give them
small-
an award. At
Yeah,
least.
this is for, but they're not finished yet with the shot. We have to move all the way up.
Gusto sa kubabs para. Hindi na lang ko, kaya nakakaw naman ka.
I got inspired. I want to join also in here. I'm jumping in on the habanero here.
Yeah. But you can see I'm crying right now.
Did you give them the habanero ante?
No, habanero is good.
What?
Mm,
That took me 2 days.
yeah. All right. This is my part.
The ceiling di ba niya?
Habanero. Oh, you haven't started with your habanero yet.
Yeah, you haven't started yet. Yeah. Go for it, yeah.
Hihirag like ka, babs.
Lucky. Go.
Good.
Good luck. You're gonna cry now.
Patay sa niya. Aray.
Delicioso.
This is so delicious. Yeah.
Imbungan, wala mo usapan. Imbungan kika. Imbungan kika. Imong giton. Imbungan ka ha.
Hanga, babs, oy. Hinani rabi ganyan ng police, babs. Ganang, karon mong sili ba?
Nawawa naman siya actually.
Pero tambal po nung siyang sili.
All right. The next jump is
No.
is from 250,000 to 1 million. This is the
That's
maruso,
too big, Andreas.
and just as is this big enough or
Hanga, oy.
you're still recovering from
No,
the
I'm still recovering.
habanero? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll give you a minute
Yan
to
ang mga sukar
to
mo.
digest here.
Ma'am, I didn't know it's part of the plan.
Gatas, ma'am. Inom mo yung gatas.
Milk is the best for calming it down. This is one of the health benefits of goat's milk. If you eat chili, you take it after for the effects.
I think I need 10 liters of this. Hang may hang, promise hang.
May daghang gatas na nila.
15,000 pa no? Gabi di na madao eh. You know Bisaya a little bit? Bisaya.
Gamay.
Gamay. Mayo. Hang kaayo.
Hangkay guys.
Ayo, oh,
Di na ko.
lami.
Lami, pero di lami.
Delicado.
Yeah, delikado. Maybe
1 million dagaan ni kagtuan.
But are you ready for the ceiling demonio?
No.
that's 1 million.
This is 1 million, about 1.1 million, 1 million. So it's a step up from the habanero. It's a different type of spiciness, I guess. This one is very. It feels almost. The best way to describe it is to get punched in the stomach. You know, when you eat it. You know, it's. Really
I rather be punched in the stomach than eating it.
Well, when this one, the habanero is like getting slapped in the face, and this one is like getting punched in the stomach. You know.
Are you okay?
Ang kaayo.
Ano yan, you need to help her.
Okay. More
Get rid of the
milk
white
is
one.
better. Go for milk.
Actually, guys, di siya parts of plan. Yeah, it's not part of the plan, but well, it's a good experience though, right?
Look, just for the viewers, I will also I will eat a little bit on the marusot here, the ceiling demonio,
Yeah.
because I like that one. This is my out of all the perhaps the California Reaper, and this one is my favorite. So I will take a little bite on this.
How many times did you practice to eat that?
Maybe 10 times or something. Every time I make a sauce, I usually nibble a little bit on them.
Nah, that's
All the spiciness is starting to come, and it's just increasing and increasing. You know, when you put it in the mouth.
guys.
I'm still living.
He's not crying, but me, I'm crying right now.
Before it even started.
Ang bitaw ko siya.
How much? How much is this?
1.1 million.
1.1
It
million.
was 4 times stronger than the habanero. Yeah.
Look that. Okay, focus. 1.1. Really? Sure na? Sure na ni? Guys, challenge accepted. 1.1 million.
It comes after a while, like.
First time. That was first time, huh?
Yeah.
Not yet, but muhang na ito, Dod. Wala pa siya mawa. It's still in my mouth.
It's still, yeah, I know, it lingers.
Guys, can you see I'm crying?